Hi everyone, it's Maria Padilla. I just want to remind you that it's time to take your I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Now, I take this every day because I want to feel good. I want to be less constipated. I want to have regular bowel movement. I want to take good things in my body. I want to make sure that I take in good things in my body. So every day, I take my I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley. This is safe for pregnant women, breastfeeding moms. This is safe for those with diabetes, high blood pressure. It is very beneficial for you. So I hope that you check it out. This is available at my TikTok shop. Yay! Cheers! Yummy. Now, be sure to only order legit barley from legit distributors, okay? Napakarami pong peke na kumakalat ngayon. Kaya naman, para makaiwas po, make sure na legit po ang binibila ninyo. You can buy from me. Make sure na legit din yung account ko. Kasi yung iba, pinapasa-pasa po nila yung videos ko. And ayoko naman na mapahamak kayo. Kawawa naman kayo. Sayang naman yung hard-earned money nyo. So be sure to buy from my account. Nagbibenta po ako sa TikTok nito.